Master the art of article usage. Omit the omissions. Hello learners. In this video, we are going to dive into the wonderful world of English articles, particularly focusing on when we omit articles. Understanding this part of grammar can dramatically enhance your English language fluency, and by the end of this video, you should be well on your way to mastering it. English articles, a, in, and the, can sometimes be left out in certain contexts. But it's not random. There are specific rules and cases where we omit them. To give you a quick example, consider the sentence, "He's in hospital." Notice how there's no article before hospital. That's an omission. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and learn when and why we do this. There are three main types of omissions. 1. Institutional omissions. We drop the articles when we talk about institutions such as school, hospital, prison, and church when referring to the general idea of these places or their function. For example, he is in prison, meaning he is serving a sentence. 2. Meal omissions. We omit articles before meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner unless we're specifying. For instance, I have dinner at 6 p.m. instead of I have the dinner at 6 p.m. 3. Transportation omissions. Articles are omitted when speaking about modes of transportation, like going by car, taking the bus. Here's where we'll put your knowledge to the test. Here are some sentences with mistakes in article usage. Try to spot the errors and correct them. 1. She is at the home. 2. I go to the school. 3. He ate the breakfast. Try to correct these sentences based on the rules we've learned. Pause the video, correct them, and resume to see the answers. Pause. Alright, let's check your answers. 1. She is at home. We drop the when referring to home in a general sense. 2. I go to school. We don't need the when speaking about going to school as a student. 3. He ate breakfast. We don't need the before meals unless we're specifying which meal. Great job! That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found this lesson on omitting articles helpful. Practice these rules, and soon, the usage of articles will become second nature to you. Remember, English is a language of exceptions and nuances. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll keep improving. See you in the next video.